Hello guys, my name is Omnion Karabai and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to help answer the question in the assignment which was given to us on IT. So in this assignment, let me just open it. Sorry, not this one. It should be here, this one. There's this question. The first question, which is saying worksheet 1, we should create a menu that allows you to automatically navigate to and from respective worksheets. This is 5 marks. I'm not going to answer this one because it's straightforward, it's simple. There are already a lot of videos that have already been made, so you can just go there and learn how to create links. Yeah. So for now, I'm going to do this second worksheet, which states that worksheet 2 delivery module, prepare and populate a delivery list of 20 laptops in the inventory. Your worksheet should automatically calculate the total number of days a laptop has been in the stores from the time it was delivered based on the current system time. So at first, yes, I struggled to do this. And I thought maybe I can share with you guys, maybe some of you might be having problems doing this. So I hope this video will be helpful. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question or comment, please just post in the description box below. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the next videos. And I'm also making a series on programming. I've just made my first video there. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you the worksheet that I've made answering this question. So I've made this is the delivery module. As you can see, this is the dashboard which we are taught to make. Then I have made the delivery module. Then I've also made the management module and the stock management. This is worksheet 4, but our major concern is on this one, which I'm from making. So upon writing this, I had to manually give these names here on brand name, then the numbering, I did it, then on the model. But when I came to serial number, I generated random numbers, I couldn't type all this work at once. So what I did, I used the rand function. When you write rand between, then I'd put I don't know what this number is, but it has 10 digits. I put a 1 and 9 zeros. Then I also put a 5 and the other zeros. Yeah, so sorry, I might have altered that. So this is how I used the rand function to generate these random numbers. I think let me open a new Excel worksheet so that I can show you how it works. Maybe others might be new to this. So you start with writing the equal sign, then you say rand. So they'll give you some options. All you need to do is select this rand between. So when you select, you type the numbers that you want. If maybe it's 2, yeah, that's 2. Because if I write zeros, like 10 zeros, you find that the first numbers, some of my first numbers are going to be zeros. So Excel won't show the first zeros. So you find that some numbers are going to have are going to be less in some cases. So that's why I used 1, or you can use 2, it doesn't matter. So say 2, then with 9 zeros, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros, plus including the 2, making them 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers. So as you can see here, the bottom, then the top, my top number that I want. It doesn't matter, you can put even a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you close, and when you press enter, here there's been a number that has been generated in between that range. I'm sorry, I think I might have generated an error somewhere. Let me try a 1. What have I missed? Around there, between 1,000 to 5,000. What could be my error? Number error. The top, the bottom, the top. I might have put a lot of zeros, I guess. Yeah. So I think I'd put the other one at D, more zeros than the other. I think this one I'd put, it was bigger. This first number here, it was bigger than this one. So when doing this, this number must be smaller than this one. So for that, yeah, Excel, you know, with Excel, we're all learners. So you must expect some errors. So if I want the numbers to go the way down, what I just need to do is drag from here and up to where I want, then the random numbers will be generated. That was for the serial number. That's what I had done. So, you know, I never give up. That's one good part of me. And I can't say I'm good at this, but I do try my best. So after generating numbers like this, this was on this column here, the serial number column. Then to create names manually, they delivered by, this one was Wesley McLean, Vido, Maxon, and Mark Genesis. Anyway, these aren't important. You can just add them, but the most important part is on the date. So here on this date, as you can see, these dates, I manually put them. There's no function that has brought these dates. So this is the delivery date, right? The delivery date. This was 7, this was 6. This is the 60 on the 7th month. Then when I come here, this is the 7th on the 12th month. So depending on what you're doing, this is how things are gonna show. So for you to create a function for the current system date, because for me to have the number of days that have been stored, I'll need a function. So I'll need 2 dates, and there are different functions of days. So the first date that I would want is the date that I have stored the thing. So that date I have to put it manually into my spreadsheet. So here, if I say, for example, my date is, maybe let me just put the date that this one has been written. So I'll do the controls, semicolon, or if it's a full colon, it's just the same thing. So this is like the date that I have. Or maybe let me just change, let me make this date, maybe let's say here, what's my date? The day is 12. That's the day. So maybe we say the day, we change it to maybe, let's say 02. That's the day. Mind you, this is the month. Then I have the day on the middle and the year at the end. It depends with how you have set the date system of your machine. That's how it's going to show even here. So after you have done that, like this is the date that I have received the laptop and I've put it into storage. Now for me to write the current system time and for it to be changing each and every time I update my worksheet or each time I open my worksheet, I'll just need a function. This function it's very simple. There's no need to panic for it. Like this is the stored date. Maybe we say we have this date maybe several times, maybe up to there. Then now what we need, we just, for the current system time, you just need to put the equal sign. Then you say now. Then this now function, you put some brackets, right? Then you just don't need to do anything. It will put the, you have seen, it has put the date and the time that I want. So if I want to have several of these, I'll just pull all the way down. Then I'll have the same day, the month, and the year. But for me to be able to, this thing is the same thing that I did here. As you can see, there's the now function there, and here there's no function, and here this part of the days is the one that would like to go through. So when we come here, I want it to show, I say maybe this is a delivery data, delivery date. Yeah, then we say this one, have you seen this kind of show that they are random? Then here I say maybe current date, right? Yeah, then the other one will say days in store. So we're going to use a function here where we'll put an equal sign. Whenever we want to write a function in Excel, we have to use the equal sign. So after doing that, you have to say days. Days. Now, as you can see here, there are several functions of day. This one is only for 1 month. This is only for a month, but we don't know how long these people are going to be using our work. So it would be better you set it a bit longer. Yeah. So this one, we have this one is our thing. This is what we want. Returns the number of days between the two dates. And as you can see on our sheet, we have two dates. We have the delivery date and the current date, as you can see. So this is the one that we want. We won't use the days 360. Okay, I don't know. There are many ways of doing this thing, and I don't know if this is the correct way, but I'm just saying that this is how I've handled this question. Maybe I hope it will make sense, but if there are any corrections, please just post in the description box so that I will make corrections, or maybe you correct me, or maybe if you have no idea of how to go about it, maybe this video can be of help to you. So I won't use this one, but I will rather use this one. So you can just double click. Then, sorry for that, I've accidentally placed somewhere in the cells. So as you can see here, we have the end date and the start date. So meaning we have to put the date when we stored something and when it will end. So our end date is this one. So I'm going to select this one. Then for the start date is this one. Oh, sorry. This one as our end date, to put a comma. Then select this one for start date. Now I remember when I'd done this at some point, I was getting some negative numbers, so I had to swap. I hope this won't be the case, but You know, I'm also new. I'm trying to do my best as I can, but yeah. So after doing that, you close with a bracket there, then you press enter. So as you can see, from the 2nd to the 12th, it has shown 10 days. This laptop has been here for 10 days. Now, suppose I had more of these, then maybe this one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then using this same formula, I drag down because it knows the cells. Yeah. So here it's blank. That's why I'm having some negative numbers. So the current system date is just the same. We just put it down. So as you can see, we have different terms of storage, days of storage. So this is how I handled mine, which is here. Days stored. It has written this. I've just done this today, but I'm sure it will change by tomorrow. The days will change. Yeah. So this was, I said that I was going to be going through question the worksheet 2. I hope I have answered everything in worksheet 2, the delivery module. For me to make the next video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, please share the video, and please, the reason why I've made this video is that I can tell you that I'm making series of programming, and I need assistance, your assistance, and please subscribe to the channel and visit my new series. I'm a beginner. As I'm going to be taking you through this, we're going to be learning together. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day.